the beginning, I was not, even getting closer to the rankings or getting any good results. But many people to ask me why she's doing this, why she's doing so much for the sport. I think she's a woman. She should focus on, completing her education. Father, they always pushed me to encourage me, because it was not easy for a women athlete to continue continue any sport as a professional career, and especially fencing. When I started dreaming about Olympics, and at the beginning I was not, even getting closer to the rankings or getting any good results. But many people to ask me why she's doing this, why she's doing so much for the sport. I think she's a woman. She should focus on, completing her education and get some job, and maybe think some other option. So I did not get any encouragement from outside. So even during those situations, my mother and father, they always told me, don't worry about anything or whatever people say, just do your best. They encouraged me, they motivated me to move forward. Maybe if they did not do that, maybe I would have stopped the sport like many years ago. Mother used to travel for all national competitions, state level competitions. And my father, he could not travel for competition, but he always supported me. Was really difficult at the beginning of my career, and all I thought was to try my best to go to Olympics. So and my family supported me a lot, and I know it is not easy for everyone to get the same support and to get self-motivated all the time to continue the sport or continue with their passion. But I'm lucky to have a very supportive and encouraging family. And yes, my parents, they worked really hard to get funds and to let me compete in international competitions, and let me travel alone from the age of 17. So it was difficult, but I'm happy that I have overcome all those situations, and here I'm going to play in Olympics. Fencing at Chennai, we used to train with bamboo sticks, and because there was a lack of equipments, and also to purchase a whole equipments is difficult for me, for my family. So we used to practice with sticks, and we used to place our mask in the wall. And I used to do partner training then itself. So it came from that, our old training, and So in the terrace, I don't have a wall, so I kept my fencing bag and I put my mask on top of that, and to feel some as an opponent. Olympics is going to be a very special day for me, the day I fence on the Olympics day event. And I'm looking forward to do my best performance, because I think this is going to be the first time where at least most of the Indians will watch fencing and will watch me play my match. So I just want to do my best performance in front of them.